A warm welcome to everyone. Me and my team has chosen the topic sustainable development. So, what is sustainable development? I'm going to say that sustainable development is the idea that human societies must live and meet their own needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Gradually, there is a growth in population, so we require large amount of power in our day-to-day life. As the power consumption is more, there will be increase in wastage of energy. Power generation using conservative methods becoming deficient. So we should use different types of methods in generating the power. Simultaneously, the energy is wasted due to the human locomotion and in many other ways. For sustainable development, the need of the hour is to develop more efficient, pollution free, and renewable to meet the unending demands. Recently, the fossil fuel consumption has become one of the major problems. For electrical energy, most of the people are using fossil fuels as a major source for it. The usage of fossil fuels affects the environment and causes the climatic change and global warming. Hence, we should replace the fossil fuels with another source. Instead of fossil fuels, which source can produce electrical energy as much as we need in our daily life? So, me and my team thought a different technique to generate electrical energy. For that purpose, we had chosen the topic turning foodstuffs into electrical energy for sustainable development. About this, my teammate is going to give an explanation.
We recognize that human footfall is currently a wasted energy resource and presents a significant opportunity for the renewable energy generation. In environments with high footfall, there is an opportunity to harvest the wasted kinetic energy to power of grid. Applications such as street lighting, advertising displays, and communications networks in both indoor and outdoor environments. In addition to the energy generation capabilities, this technology incorporates an innovation innovative wireless interface that has the ability to collect, monitor, and communicate live footfall and energy generation data, a vital tool for the smarter cities of the future. So, reforming this energy back to usable form is a major solution as technology is developed and the use of gadgets and electronic devices also increases. To overcome this problem, the energy wasted can be converted to a usable form using the piezoelectric sensor. This sensor converts the pressure on it to a voltage, so by using this energy saving method, that is the footstep power generation system, we are generating power. Microcontroller based footstep power generation system. This project is used to generate voltage using footstep force. The proposed system works as a medium to generate power using force. This project is very useful in public places like bus stands, theaters, railway stations, shopping malls, etc. So these systems are placed in public places where people walk and they have to travel on the system to get through the entrance exits. And this is the main cause why you are using this microcontrol based footstep generating system. As everyone should pass over through this main exit, everyone is likely to step on that microcontroller based foot step power generation system so that the kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy. So, in this mechanism, then these systems may generate voltage on each and every step of the food, which is in the form of kinetic energy. Now, it is taken and used to generate voltage. For this purpose, piezoelectric sensors is used in order to measure force, pressure, and acceleration by its change into electrical signals. This system uses voltmeter for measuring output, LED lights, and weight measurement system, and the battery for different better demonstration of the system. I think the illustrations show you and demonstrate how the kinetic energy is converted into electrical signals, and the further information is displayed to you and processed and explained to you by our teammate.
Okay, let us see how this works. Whenever force is applied on piezoelectric sensor, then the force is converted into electrical energy. This is the basic principle here in this. Whenever a force is applied on the sensor, it's converted the mechanical stress into electrical energy. That's what called piezoelectric effect. In that moment, the output voltage is stored in the battery. The output voltage which is generated from the sensor is used to drive DC loads. Here we are using ATS952 to display the amount of battery get charged. How it generates power? Piezoelectric sensor interfaced with microcontroller uses a transducer to convert force energy into electrical energy. It consists of large number of piezoelectric sensors connected in series. Kinetic energy of series connected transducer is converted into electrical energy. Voltages generated by piezoelectric sensor are fed to circuit elements to get proper output. Output energy is stored in batteries. What are the advantages we are going to get from this? Simply walking on the step, it generates power. Isn't it amazing? No need of fuel input. This is a non-conventional system. The battery is used to store the generated power, eco-friendly energy production, and helps in sustainable development of fossil fuels. Moreover, this is the very simple mechanism which we can easily do. No moving parts, hence long service life, and alternative ways for power generation. And more than that, we can get integrated branding, unique design, custom finishes on the page gen, so we can easily brand items on the too. And based on the people's walking, we can trace the football tracking, heat mapping, and digital currencies too, capturing the information from every footstep. And energy, turning kinetic energy into electricity, smart lighting, walk to light, advertising, etc.
Disadvantages of this system. It is only applicable for the particular places like crowded places where people walk the most, for example, shopping malls, stadiums, bus stations, etc. Initial cost of this arrangement is high. Care should be taken for batteries in case of website or app failure. Now let's see the applications of footstep power generator. It can be used for agriculture, home appliances, street lighting, etc. It can also be used in energy power failure situations. It can be used in both alternating current and direct current. And this can be used as a power source for mobile charging, street lighting, bus station lighting, etc. Emergency power failure situations in hospitals, and it can be used in schools, universities, etc. It will be more helpful in rural areas for power generation. Now let's come to the conclusion. One sustainable and green source of energy is the power generation from the human footsteps. This research work aims to design and test a simple device that converts the kinetic energy of the human footsteps to electrical energy. This device may be used in all crowded spots with a big number of pedestrians such as mosques, churches, underground stations, theaters, shopping malls, stadiums, etc. Showcasing alternative energy sources such as pedestrian footfall is just one of many steps we are taking towards supporting a positive, sustainable future for our communities. Hope our presentation was useful and thank you for listening.